we're gonna see how this works.
It's been raining.
Hopefully it won't rain.
We'll see. Well, I don't know if they'll cancel it because I think some of the seating is outside.
What are we doing though, Courtney?
We're doing the scenic river cruise, but the dinner cruise.
The sunset
cruise,
the sunset.
where we get dinner.
Which includes an open bar for an hour and lobster. So hopefully it doesn't rain.
And of course the Witches Gulch, which is why we're doing it in the first place.
That's right.
Did you lock the truck?
I don't know, let me check. Okay, that's not where Corvettes belong. That's silly.
A moving object. If you get up to take a photo or something, keep that in mind. Not only that, it's on a moving object. And we have moving objects going by sometimes at a high rate of speed, so we rock and roll a little bit. So do what all us old mariners do. Keep one hand for you and one for the ship.
Like, maybe we won't get rain tomorrow night.
Some folks say they'll never miss it.
See the Witches Gulch.
Gulch. It's a gulch, Courtney. Okay, this just turned out to be pretty cool. So half of the cruise we come out to this point, Witches Gulch. So on the way out we had a salad and an open bar. Yep. On the way back we have the steak and lobster.
And dessert.
And dessert. And dessert.
But
no open bar, correct.
Gorgeous. This is amazing. This is why we came to the Dells.
It is pretty nice.
The moss is just, the moss, we've seen a lot of stone structures like the waterfalls at Watkins Glen kind of reminds me of this, but the moss here and how enclosed you get, it's very cool. If there's no one around back there, then we can go and do some of the really cool.
So on the way back, what we're trying to do is head back before everybody else. So with the entire path back to the boat, to ourselves, we can get some good shots.
Like, look at this. So there's somebody coming.
So what this is a man-made wooden boardwalk. Well, I guess all boardwalks are
man-made,
wooden and man-made. But along this stream up to the restrooms and concessions. Concessions were not open, we don't need those, but we had the restroom, which was nice, but it's all boardwalk.
So this used to be something you could access from this side where the concessions are, but it's no longer. So you have to access it by boat, which is why we're doing a boat tour and why we chose to do the sunset cruise, because we get dinner involved. But this is totally worth coming to, even with the fact that you have to pay for a boat tour, because this is beautiful. It's beautiful. Like, look at it with nobody coming.
Imagine slot canyons with water as what you're walking on. But of course there's a boardwalk, so you're not getting wet, but they're like slot canyons and moss and water, and it's really cool.
Look at that. That's just like so inviting. Look at that.
Yeah.
Starting from see like the tiny way the creek gets through that. That is a pretty gourmet dinner. Medium rare steak, lobster tail with butter, corn, carrots, and potato. Yum. And we're still in this beautiful place.
Keep smiling until then. Who cares about the clouds when we're together, right? Just sing a song. We did it! Brought back sunny weather. Happy sails to you until we meet again. Until we meet. And remember, everybody, when you get home tonight, don't forget to brush and floss and say your prayers. And if you're going to a water park tomorrow, don't forget it's going to be hot and sunny. Take the sunscreen. Again. And if you're camping tonight, tomorrow morning, do not fry bacon in the nude. Again. Oh, I know.
Who's getting Angus beef?
Who wants Alpo?
This is what we do when we get home, when we're out, when it's past dinner.
They're fork trained. Don't ask me how.
Mm-hmm.
It's all her.
Mm-hmm. Good job, girls. Happy girls?
Very happy girls. Well, that was a really cool experience.
It was. I had so much fun. One of the women, as we were walking out, said something to me about me being the happiest person on the boat. I guess.
Well, there was like a guy who was singing songs, and we kind of thought he sounded like a cartoon character at first, but the more he sang, the more we appreciate the fact that he knows so many songs.
He does. He sang a song with all the state capitals and then all the countries in the
countries in the world.
That was
How
kind
do
of
you
fun.
remember? It was that was actually kind of yes, it was Penny.
It was cool.
That was kind of cool.
Yeah. So I sing along to songs, and so I was singing along, and we had our steak and our lobster, and we had a few drinks, and it was just a fun night. Plus, Witches Gulch and Gulch. I can't say
Gulch.
Yeah.
It's not Gulf.
I know. I keep saying Gulf.
This is not the Gulf of Mexico.
And the Wisconsin Dells, the upper Dells, at least where we were gorgeous. They were totally worth a boat trip. And I'm so glad we came here, and I'm so glad we did it.
They were nice to see. Like I said, slot canyons with water and moss.
Yeah.
Just think of that.
Yeah. And we got sunset. We didn't think we would.
Sort of, kind of, sort of.
No,
yeah.
we got some sunset. It was pretty.
There was color, yeah.
Yeah,
it was nice. It was
and
much nicer
the
than we
singer
thought.
who sounded like he could have been a cartoon character knew every song that had sun in it, known to man. And so every time he come up with a new sun song, us and the people at our table would just crack up.
He kind of sounded like Bert from Bert and Ernie.
Yeah.
Says that Bert. Yeah, he kind of sounded like Bert. But cool
so
experience.
Anyway, yes, the boat tour was fun, and I think the dinner cruise was worth it.
We're here for a few more days, and then we're
heading to La Crosse.
To the Mississippi River,
yeah.
La Crosse.
But I think we're going to go into town tomorrow and maybe see a little bit more of Wisconsin Dells, the touristy part of it.
I hear there's fudge there. I hear there's fudge.
That's why we're going.
Maybe some ice cream, but definitely fudge.
So if we, okay, we're going to say goodnight, guys.
Yes. Good night.
Bye for now.